Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about the property settlement issues, and more specifically about the marital home. You know that amongst the things that get divided in a divorce is the residence, the marital home, the place where everybody lived. This has a value, and that value has to be divided. Now, sometimes we can easily agree A, that the house should be sold, and B, what the value is. Well, that makes it simple. That way we can either sell it on the marketplace, split the money, or somebody can buy somebody out and then give them their share, but at least we know what the value is and what we're doing with the home. The question comes to light though, what if we can't agree? What if we can't agree who gets the house? What happens? What does the judge do? Does the judge sell the house? Does the judge make a decision? Well, in a lot of situations, you have to understand the court's in the liquidation business as it pertains to marital property. The court will go along with what you agree in terms of who should get the house, and the court will take testimony. If somebody wants the house, the other person wants the house, and the court will hear evidence until it figures out what to do. But remember one thing, at the end of the day, the home is, mortar, it's bricks. It has a value. The value is determined by what the homes are selling for in the area. What will somebody write a check for to get that house? That determines the value. So you can think the value is X amount of dollars, and the other person can think higher or lower, but really what it boils down to is what will somebody pay for it? And if the court decides that it cannot work it out so that one person gets the house because there's no assets to make up for the equity, there's no ability to share the equity, the court's not just going to give someone the house. In that situation, more likely than not, the court will order the house sold. And the way the court orders it sold is it'll order the parties to sell it within a certain amount of time. And if they don't do that, the court will order that a realtor be engaged in order to put it on the market. And if the parties don't do that, the court will appoint a receiver to get that house sold so that those marital assets can be split up. That's basically how it works. The court's not going to buy your house from you and write you a check. It's obviously much more complicated than that. But the court will give the parties an opportunity to work it out. Again, though, if they cannot, the court has extraordinary remedies available to it to make sure that the house is liquidated so that the marital asset can be appropriately divided. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.